This is 2 hours later and it's still snowing. So if you thought it was bad at 7 o'clock in the morning, take a look at what it looks like now. Time now is 9:10. We're in the Bedford area, Bedford, Texas. That's located in the center of the DFW area, Dallas-Fort Worth area. What you're looking at right now is Highway 121, 183. That traffic is heading west towards Fort Worth. But as you can see, it's been snowing for several hours. It's sticking. Let's look at the trees and the cars below and the sidewalk. So, take a look at this. This is a snowstorm 2010, February 11th, DFW area, 9:10 a.m. in the morning.